In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the labor market and unemployment. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic, the demand for labor. So we have 30 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the determination of wages in the labor market depends on the interaction between demand and supply of labor, people, economy, and government. So the right answer is option A, interaction between demand and supply of labor. That's it. Next question is this one. It says labor productivity is defined as we have total level of output, mechanization processes, output per man per hour, war against indiscipline. The right answer is option C, output per man per hour. Okay, next question is this one. It says the demand curve for the marginal revenue product is downward sloping due to we have law of increasing returns, law of decreasing cost, law of variable proportion, law of returns to scale. The right answer is option C, law of variable proportion. Okay, take note of this question, guys. Next question is this one. It says minimum wage legislation results in greater supply for labor, reduced income, greater demand of labor, reduced labor productivity. Right answer is option A, greater supply for labor. That's it. Next question is this one. It says the demand for labor is a complementary demand, composite demand, derived demand, joint demand. The right answer is option C, derived demand. Very important, guys. Take note of this question. Next question is this one. It says the demand for labor is an example of, I think we just answered this question now. The right answer is option D, derived demand. Next question is this one. It says the amount of labor higher depends on the real marginal productivity of labor, scale of labor, number or skilled labor available, price of other inputs. The right answer is option A, marginal productivity of labor. Very important. Next question is this one. It says labor productivity is the ratio of real man hours to output, output to man hours, labor to output, average product to man hours. The right answer is option B, which is output to man hours. Okay, next question is this one. It says efficiency of labor is enhanced by real war against indiscipline, improved working condition and training, involvement in home family affairs, mechanization processes. The right answer is option B, improved working condition and training. Next question is this one. It says firms continue to employ workers until the wage rate equals the web average product of labor, total product of labor, sum of marginal revenue and average revenue of labor, marginal revenue product of labor. The right answer is option D, marginal revenue product of labor. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says the equilibrium wage in an economy is determined by the real supply and demand for labor, public service workers, union rates of inflation. The right answer is option A, supply and demand for labor. Next question is this one. It says unemployment can be reduced by adopting a mixture of labor and capital intensive techniques of production, adopting capital intensive techniques of production, adopting labor intensive techniques of production, restricting the productive base of the economy. The right answer is option C, adopting labor intensive techniques of production. Okay, the last question for end this video is this one. It says the efficiency of labor can be increased by retirement of workers on a regular basis, engaging expatriates only, a constant training of workers, placing an embargo on recruitment. The right answer is option C, a constant training of workers. Okay, so guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving labor market and unemployment. Look at the subtopic demand for labor. We practice with 13 repeated questions for your JAMB economics. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your STEM exams like a JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Having done this, click the desk number and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.